Trick to get Netflix free trial without credit card. Netflix is probably the most well-known streaming website with a ton of nice contents to observe from. They contents are authentic Netflix collection, TV exhibits and flicks which you'll entertain kind to alleviate your stress. Netflix is just not obtainable in all international locations. It asks in your cost card info which they auto-charge it each month as soon as your free trial is over. Listed below are a number of methods by way of which you should utilize Netflix without spending a dime even when it's not obtainable in your nation. Tips on how to get Netflix free trial and not using a bank card nor PayPal. To get content material on Netflix, one has to pay the membership charge. The charge is excessive for some international locations. Nonetheless, we've discovered easy tips by way of which you will watch the content material on Netflix without spending a dime. With these strategies you may watch all of the content material on the Netflix without even having a bank card. After utilizing these strategies, you may watch any present or film on Netflix without spending a dime. You don't have to fret about sharing your bank card information anymore. Easy strategies of getting Netflix free trial with non-bank card nor PayPal 2022. As talked about, Netflix is just not obtainable in all of the international locations proper now. They're increasing their enterprise to make it obtainable in your nation. Until you should utilize our strategies to bypass the restrictions and watch HD premium content material on Netflix with no worries. By utilizing under strategies you may get pleasure from. Get pleasure from extremely HD video high quality content material. Limitless motion pictures and TV exhibits. Particular Netflix exhibits. You possibly can get pleasure from Netflix in a number of gadgets. First, obtain a VPN from the web to make use of Netflix without spending a dime. VPN stands for Digital Non-Public Community to cover your IP handle so you may entry content material restricted in your space. This step is essential for individuals who reside outdoors the Netflix zone. After VPN software program help disguise your IP handle to a USA deal with, or every other nation the place Netflix is working. You possibly can take away all of the geographical restrictions and now can enter the positioning. Though Netflix banned many VPN suppliers, nonetheless many are working high quality. After discovering VPN, it is advisable set up it in your system and so choose the server to America. Quickly you'll go to Netflix which beforehand blocked in your PC. Now you want to enroll in a free account, however watch out and use a pretend email it with location set to the USA so that you don't get banned. You will notice a demo web page when you open the Netflix website. Simply click on the Join Free for a Month button to enroll on the website. You possibly can choose any plans which you need to use. Now Netflix will want a bank card and PayPal account throughout signing up, and that is the trickiest part of getting your free Netflix account. However, we've provided you with some methods by way of which you'll bypass this step without utilizing your actual bank card. Debit playing cards. You need to use your debit card as a substitute of a bank card on Netflix. Nations like India have extra debit card customers than a bank card, and thus they will use it for utilizing Netflix as a substitute of getting a bank card. Some individuals suppose debit playing cards are safer as you're going to get solely charged when you have sufficient cash in your card. Though if Netflix doesn't cost your card, you may not be capable to benefit from the content material on the Netflix. Netflix reward playing cards. Yet another technique to make use of Netflix and not using a bank card is through the use of a Netflix reward card. You should purchase Netflix reward playing cards on Amazon or eBay, and you may also get them as a present out of your dad and mom or buddies. After grabbing your reward card, it is advisable enter your voucher it to activate it and use Netflix. Share Netflix and account. Netflix believes in sharing is caring, thus they permit 5 profiles to hyperlink with the identical account. This technique is 100% authorized and protected to make use of Netflix without spending a dime. All you need to do is persuade your mates or member of the family to share their Netflix account with you and you'll watch Netflix without sharing your bank card information. Out of all of the strategies mentioned above, that is the most secure technique to place your account won't ever get banned. Though, the fundamental plan of Netflix solely permits one system at a time, so the opposite particular person should have a premium or normal plan. This technique is the most secure out of all of the strategies mentioned above. As we've mentioned, there are numerous strategies so that you can register a free Netflix account. Even with no bank card nor PayPal. Even Netflix is just not obtainable in your nation. You possibly can get pleasure from all of the premium Netflix content material without paying a cent to them. When the free trial will get over, it is advisable repeat the above steps to get a brand new account and proceed watching exhibits and flicks. Though it'd take time and look impractical, however it's free in any case and you'll get pleasure from premium content material without spending a dime. Netflix free trial and not using a bank card or PayPal 2022, paid account. Though all of the strategies we mentioned above to get Netflix free trial and not using a bank card and PayPal are working, however people who find themselves busy cannot discover it sensible. You want plenty of time to get the free trial and it is advisable repeat the method each 30 days, which isn't attainable for everybody. So if you're residing in Netflix zone and may afford the subscription, then go for a paid account. You need to use it any place from any system with no worries. Beneath are the strategies to arrange your Netflix account. Use suitable system. A lot of the gadgets are actually suitable with Netflix. You possibly can enter Netflix utilizing your laptops and PCs, media gamers, smartphones, Blu-ray gamers and console gadgets. You possibly can get pleasure from Netflix on any of those gadgets. Go to the website. You now can open Netflix official website after grabbing a suitable system. If you're residing in Netflix zone, then it is going to work. In any other case, use VPN companies to enter Netflix. Select the plan. Subsequent, choose your Netflix plan. You possibly can choose the premium plan and luxuriate in the advantages free for a month with no prices. There are 3 plans which you'll select from on Netflix, from which you'll select no matter fits you finest. With fundamental plan, you may stream at SD high quality. However, you may watch Netflix on one system. If you're not the one who desires to observe Netflix, then this plan is just not for you. After 1 month, Netflix prices you $8 a month. For a normal plan, you may stream at HD high quality. Right here you may stream at 2 gadgets at a time. That is probably the most well-known plan for Netflix. After 1 month, Netflix prices you $11 a month. For premium plan, you may stream at HD plus extremely HD high quality. That is one of the best out of all of the 3 plans if you're considering to share your Netflix with your loved ones, as you may stream Netflix in 4 gadgets directly. Should you stream by way of televisions, then premium plan is for you, as you may watch the content material in extremely HD high quality. After 1 month, Netflix prices you $14 a month. Create a Netflix account. The final step is to create your new Netflix account. After that, you'll be to stream motion pictures and TV exhibits. After you have chosen one of the best plan for you, enter your email deal with and password to finish the sign-up course of. The browser then will redirect you to the cost web page, the place you need to enter your bank card/debit card particulars. For the primary month, Netflix is free. However, after that, they are going to cost your card each month to proceed Netflix service. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe. Don't forget to share.